Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be covering a puppet wrap option. Instead of wrapping this object around, which is not a right way, we go to edit, click on puppet wrap option. Now let's add pins here. As we are changing these pins direction, as you can see the whole object is moving. In order to fix this, we add pins around the other parts of the object, so these won't allow the object to move when we change certain pin. Let's move it down, let's move it up. You can hold Alt and you can rotate this pin like so, and by clicking on Alt you can remove the pin if you don't want that. Let's move it up right here. In this way you can change the object's position by using puppet wrap option. I hope this is helpful tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.